In the age of hyperconnectivity and social media, the fear of missing out, commonly known as FOMO, has emerged as a pervasive and potent force shaping the way individuals perceive and engage with the world. While the desire to stay connected and be a part of ongoing events is inherently human, the unchecked fear of missing out can have profound and often negative impacts on an individual's mental well-being, relationships, and overall life satisfaction. FOMO, at its core, is a social anxiety fueled by the perception that others are experiencing enjoyable activities from which one is absent. This fear is often exacerbated by the curated nature of social media, where individuals selectively share moments of joy, success, and excitement, creating an idealized version of their lives. As a result, those experiencing FOMO may feel a heightened sense of inadequacy, anxiety, and a constant need to keep up with the perceived social whirlwind. One of the significant negative impacts of FOMO is on mental health. Constant exposure to the seemingly exciting lives of others can lead to feelings of inadequacy, self-doubt, and a persistent sense of discontent. The fear of missing out creates a perpetual cycle of comparison, wherein individuals measure their lives against curated snapshots of others, often overlooking the complexities and challenges that exist behind the scenes. Moreover, FOMO can disrupt the ability to be present in the current moment. The preoccupation with what others are doing or achieving can detract from one's capacity to appreciate and find joy in their own experiences. This constant need to stay connected virtually may lead to a diminished quality of real-life interactions and a failure to engage fully in the activities at hand. FOMO can also strain relationships. The compulsion to be part of every social event or activity can lead individuals to spread themselves thin, overcommitting to various engagements to avoid the fear of missing out. This can result in fatigue, burnout, and strained relationships as friends and family bear the brunt of an individual's relentless pursuit of being present in every social sphere. In a broader societal context, FOMO can contribute to the culture of excess, where individuals pursue experiences or possessions not for intrinsic value but to keep pace with perceived societal expectations. This materialistic and consumption-driven mindset can lead to financial strain, environmental impact, and a perpetual cycle of seeking external validation. Addressing FOMO requires a conscious effort to cultivate mindfulness, self-awareness, and a reassessment of personal values. Recognizing that social media presents curated glimpses rather than comprehensive narratives is crucial. Establishing boundaries around digital engagement, focusing on genuine connections, and prioritizing quality over quantity in social interactions can help mitigate the negative impact of FOMO. In conclusion, while the fear of missing out is a prevalent aspect of modern life, its consequences on mental health, relationships, and overall well-being are substantial. Striking a balance between staying connected and cultivating a mindful presence in one's own life is essential. By understanding the roots of FOMO and adopting strategies to manage its influence, individuals can navigate the social landscape with a healthier mindset and a more genuine appreciation for the richness of their own experiences. Thank you for watching. My channel, The Renaissance Spirit, is dedicated to the pursuits of a just, equitable, and humanitarian world. Video topics encompass areas including the history, politics, religion, personal development, society, culture, social and environmental justice, and other topics of liberal arts and sciences including ancient Rome and the Roman Empire, which is a great comparison and contrast of the modern world. Topics perfect for the true modern polymath. The Renaissance ushered in a golden age in the pursuit of knowledge both lost to time and yet to be discovered. It gave birth to the Enlightenment and the Age of Reason. Embracing truth, knowledge, and an understanding and compassion for humanity opens up the world to each of us individually and improves all of humanity, affording us the opportunity to be better stewards of the earth and to each other. The Renaissance spirit. More than just a philosophy or style, but a style for living, learning, growing and thinking. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share. If you're looking to explore and experience what life has to offer, I'm sure you'll enjoy the other videos on my channel. Please peruse my video library, and let me know in the comments what you get out of them and what other videos you'd like to see. But first, please take the quiz next to see if you're a Renaissance spirit. Live the Renaissance spirit.